CVG has this special little something. When you bring a lot of passion together, you get really great results.
A perfect day in my job is where there could be so much going on behind the scenes, but the passengers are still just, skipping their way down to their flight to Orlando.
We are all about challenging the norm, and that's really important when you look at the future, not just for what we're doing for our next generation of employees, but looking at what we're doing for those who travel in and around our airport.
When I think of the two terms, trust and respect, any relationship, those are two of the big building blocks that have to be in place for it to be a success. Even though we are a business per se, we're still a family. We're a family made up of many departments, organizations.
We have different interactions with passengers, or our units, our vendors that are here, that would say that we care and that we want the best for everybody entering into the airport.
Being willing to help, never saying that's not my job, because in the end, customer service is the most important thing.
We're all in this together. Everyone from finance to facilities. We are just an airport, but we are opening these passengers and employees to a world of opportunity, to a world of memories to be made. And I love that. It truly is what CVG is and what sets us apart from other airport experiences.